Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to save failed slimes and how to make a 2-ingredient slime. For some people this doesn't work, that's why I'm also involving how to save the failed slime. So yeah, keep watching to get to know how to make this. And right before we start into the video, I just want to thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is add some soap into a bowl. I'm using the brand Soft Soap in this video, and you want a really thick soap to use. If it's not really thick and mostly watery, it won't work as well. So after you've added your soap, you can add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much or it becomes really watery and doesn't work. After you've finished mixing, you can put your slime into the freezer for about 15 minutes, checking in every 5 minutes. After my 15 minutes was over, my slime kind of looked like this, and it was pretty frozen, but that is completely fine. So after you've taken your slime out of the freezer, you just want to keep mixing it until it looks something like this. After mixing, I waited for about 2 minutes and then it all melted and looked like this. This is the step where you determine whether your slime was a fail or success. Since mine was really watery, mine was a fail. Continue watching to see how to fix a fail. But if your slime was successful, you can stop the video right here. So to fix your failed slime, the first step you want to do is dump your whole failed slime mixture into a bag. After you've put all your soap into your bag, move all the soap to one corner of your bag. Next, you can remove all the air out of your bag and put a secure knot. Make sure to leave a little bit of space to play with your slime. After putting a secure knot, you can cut off the leftover at the top of your bag. So that's basically all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and getting me to 500 subscribers. See you guys in my next video. Bye!